Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Add Building Layer function under the Road Scene module. This function allows polygon layers to generate corresponding building layers based on the specified height. Click the Add Building Layer button. In the pop-up, the first row's combo box will list all the polygon layers in the current project. Select the polygon layer for which you want to construct buildings. The min/max height refers to the minimum/maximum height for the generated buildings. When the height obtained from the vector field is invalid and random height is not selected, the building height will default to the specified default height. The field indicates the vector attribute field for the building height. If random height is checked, the software will randomly select a height between the minimum and maximum values for the building height. This function will only take effect when the height obtained from the vector does not meet the requirements. After completing the parameter settings, click OK. Once finished, the generated building layer will be automatically loaded into the project directory, and the building facade will choose an appropriate texture from the built-in texture library based on its dimensions. That concludes the introduction to the Add Building Layer function. Thank you for watching.